Il-ħamis, is-sala ta' tluq fl-Ajruport Internazzjonali ta' Malta kienet mimlija nies, il-maġġoranza assoluta turisti li għadhom kif temmew btala fil-Gżejjer Maltin. Meta tkellimna magħhom għal ħafna minnhom din kienet l-ewwel darba li żaru pajjiżna.
The nightlife was the best. To walk, to eat, pizza was the best food. I liked it, yes.
We actually stayed for about 5 days. And now it's our last one, unfortunately, but it was really good and fun.
I think the views and the water, because it's pretty warm, and it was fun to maybe enjoy the warm water. In Poland we don't have so much temperature there, so yeah.
Beautiful, especially the sea and the people, and also we visited a lot of cities, so everything was beautiful.
We liked a lot the beach places like Melieha, Gozo, and Cumino. They were like these two islands, pretty beautiful for the sea, crystal water.
For me, the best place we were was Gozo. I really like the views there, and I have really great fun there.
We were most impressed by Gozo, in fact, because it was all a bit smaller and cozier.
Żewġ ġuventur minn Londra kienu ħerqana li jirrakkuntawna l-esperjenzi sbieħ li jgħixu fil-vakanza tagħhom f'Malta.
Absolutely beautiful. We saw a lot of fortresses, here for a week, but there's so much to do. Nice places to swim, nice places to fish as well. Fishing's very fun. And the festival, the people are also nice. Gather around, fireworks, cannons.
Yeah. We got to go on a super yacht as well in the harbour. So we got to go on one of those, and they took us out on there. It was like 100 meters long, this yacht.
It was a 170-foot yacht, I think.
170 foot.
Yeah, it was a very big yacht.
And so we went diving off of this yacht basically for the day.
Għal dawk li ġew Malta l-ewwel darba din is-sena, jaħsbu li se jerġg'u jiġu jżuru l-Gżejjer Maltin?
Yes.
Absolutely, absolutely, definitely again. Stay for longer,
I'm not
hopefully.
leaving.
We'll stay here.
We'll stay here.
Maybe we should stay here, yeah.
Yes, for sure, but not in August.
Fantastic place, Malta. We love Malta. We would like to come back in next year, and there are many parties, and we enjoy it.
Maybe in the future, long future, I will come back. And the Malta was pretty beautiful. The cliffs, the water, the beaches, they were beautiful for me. And I for sure will come back.
It-turisti żgħażagħ qalulna bli ma mod tħajru jiġu Malta l-btala.
Social media, many friends told us that Malta is a good trip with friends, with boys, so yeah, it was interesting.
We saw some TikToks and Instagram reels, and we just saw it very fun, and we just decided to come here and try it on ourselves,
Fis-sala ta' tluq iltqajna ma' Maltin li għażlu da' żmien tas-sena biex jaqtaw mir-rutina ta' kuljum.
Dejjem da' żmien tas-sena ma' xi raġel ikun biex shutdown allura dejjem nsifru da' żminijiet.
U din id-darba żiltu xi destinazzjoni li ġieli mmortu jew?
Iva, dis-sena ħammorru Londra għax inħobbuha u jiena nofsni Ingliża allura.
Toġobni hu. Għandna l-familja minn hemm, so toġobni ħafna.
Ftit ħin wara li rifsu Malta tkellimna ma' żewġ tfajliet li ġew Malta l-ewwel darba u se jqattaw ftit jimgħu. Għallulna għaliex l-għażla tagħhom kienet Malta.
Because of the nice coast and all the nice beaches and also the culture and the architecture.
Pretty much just relaxing.
Intant l-Ajruport Internazzjonali ta' Malta għafżal lil kull min se jsifer jikkonferma l-ħin tat-titjira fuq il-website tal-Ajruport qabel ma jitlaq lejn l-Ajruport minħabba li sħaba tarmiet vulkaniku mill-iżbrof tal-Etna tinsab fuq il-Gżejjer Maltin u tista' tkompli tikkawża xi xkiel għall-ivvjaġġar.